Hello friends, my name is Chetan and today I'm going to discuss about share my experience about that how to debug your application in Chrome browser. So this video is basically meant for developers who are into web application development regardless of whatever technology, whatever server side technology they might be using, because basically we are going to discuss about the client side technologies like JavaScript, HTML. So on server side, if they are using Java or they are using .NET or any other thing they are using, it will this video will meant for all of these, like all of these technologies. Um, so basically, whatever I have seen through my career is that Mozilla is most popular browser for debugging web application, and what we feel is, what we think is, Chrome also has got some very important, very cool features, very good tools which we can also use, which we can leverage into uh, web app development, and which we can use in our web app development and get our things done, right? So in this video, we are going to have a basic idea of Chrome developer tools, and then we'll discuss about how to debug HTML and taking help of Chrome in designing your web application, right? So friends, uh, this is my web application which I've created in .NET MVC, C Sharp and .NET MVC. But as I told you that server-side technology had no significance related to this video, because we are only discussing client-side technologies and we are going to discuss about like HTML, JavaScript and how to debug these things on client side. So server-side technologies will not has not any significance. It is only to create the pages which we are going to get into client side, right? So this is my web page and it has got two functions. It has got two buttons. Firstly, like first one is this fun one and second one is this fun 2, right? So this fun 1 and fun 2 has some code behind it, right? So for example, fun 1 has this alert message and fun 2 has this second alert message, right? So we are going to look into it, this web page, and we are going to learn about uh, Chrome developer tools, right? So, so for starting your Chrome developer tools, you have to hit F12 key in your system, in your laptop or desktop, whatever you are using, and F12 function key. And if you are starting for first time, your developer tools will open in on the right side of your screen, right? So these are developer tools, and you can dock it to any other position also. Basically we have three position for docking. Second one is at the bottom of your page, and third one is anywhere in the screen. You can take it anywhere in the screen, right? But I prefer this position, second one, so that like page size is like page width is whatever client will be getting, like will be debugging in that page which itself. So I prefer that position at the bottom of the page. Okay, and here in developer tools we have different options, and you can see we have different tabs here. This is element tab, console tab, source tab, network, timeline, profiles, application security audit, and so on, right? So these are various tabs of this console, this developer tools, and you can debug your application in this mobile view also, like on a different machine. If you want to test, you can test in that view also, and you can test in your desktop or laptop, but in whatever you have opened your browser, you can test in that also, right? So we are going to discuss about this element tab in first part of our tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see, this element tab contains all the things, whatever your page is containing, all the HTML related to whatever your page is containing. And if I hover around these things, if I hover around this element, this will be highlighted in browser itself, right? For example, this is my div, which is containing two buttons, and this is button 1, this is button 2. You can hover around that. Other thing is, like, if your page is too much large, like it contains many HTML tags, then you can click on this arrow, right? This arrow, and on top left corner of your debugger tools, and this arrow will turn blue, and as soon as it turns blue, you can take it to any element, and your debugger tools will point to that element itself. Then thing is, like, if you want, you can design this tool, you can change its style, you can whatever you want to do, you can do here itself, and you can see uh, how your page will look like if you change it to that way. Suppose I want to change the width of the page, width of my button, right? So here I'll go there and I'll click on that, right? So this control of this developer tools will come to button second, and I go here on right bar, right, and right width is equal to 100 px. So I can see if I change this width to 100 pixel, how my button will look like, right? I can increase this length, I can decrease this length, and I can see all the things. If I want, I can go here and I can change this part too. I can change HTML also. Here I can change CSS or whatever style this tag contains. I can change this element contains. I can change that style here in right side. On this left side, what I can do is I can change HTML also, and here itself I can see how my things will look like, my element will look like. Suppose I'm changing this name, right? I'm changing it to function test. So I can do it on that side, and I can commit that, and I can see how my page will look like if I change it to like that, right? And so on. There are many things, many properties which you can try on left side or right side. You can change your HTML in many other ways, and you can change your CSS in many other ways. So you can see on client side that how your page will look like if you change it to this way. And if you refresh, again server will bring the fresh copy of the page, and your change will be gone, and you can do it again, right? So this was about this element tab, and on later part of the videos we'll discuss about various other things also, like we'll go through all these tabs, what all these tabs have and what all these tabs are doing, and how they can help us in debugging. We can discuss about like responsiveness, like how you can test your responsiveness of your site. We can will in more, like later parts of the video, later parts of the discussion, we'll discuss about profiling also, we'll discuss about performance things also. And but for now, uh, for this part one, this is all, and goodbye, and see you again, and keep keep watching our videos and keep following us, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to be notified about our posts. And thank you for watching.